So in this video, we will going to learn that how to replace that multiple comma into single comma. So now I have declared one variable. So this one have multiple commas, and then we have to replace this in place of this, or desired output will be this one. So we need to display like this, where only single comma need to display, not the multiple comma. Where all we have multiple, we need to replace with single comma. And if we have single, then it's well enough. Just like this one, we have single, so it's going to stay as single. So first thing, now how we going to do this one? So we have to follow three steps to replace this one multiple comma to single comma. First thing, what we will try, we'll try to change it where all we have, sorry, I clicked it. Okay, so first we'll try to do this one. So this one, what is going to return to us, we will see that here. So this is going to return to us now this value. So what we trying to achieve, where all comma is there, we try to change it with hash and comma. So what it's going to do, all those places it will return with hash and comma. And why we need that? Since we need to replace one thing that have multiple with the same thing, so now we replace same thing with the two things, then we can later achieve that point. So now if after replacing this we got that this, so now if I execute this one, so second one will give this output. So in this second, what we are trying to achieve, what we doing, already replaced one is there, now I try to replace, now we replace just reverse of this, we will replace it now in the second time. Now I'm replacing comma with the hash. So where all we have hash and comma, this not going to replace, but it's going to replace this comma and hash. Comma and hash will replace it. Okay, so finally at the end we will get that this comma will be still remaining, one comma and the first hash. That's why we are getting it here, ab hash comma, and then again hash comma, we will get it, nothing other than this. So now we have both of them having unique value. So now if we replace again third time, we replacing that existing one. Now how we replacing hash comma, we replacing with comma, then we will get that only one. So now if I execute it back, so see, now our output is whatever we need, we got that same output what we need. So I hope you understand that how this is going to work, and please let me know you have any doubts. Thank you.